I put on LBC. I put on LBC. Yeah, I put on LBC. Over LBC. I put on LBC. Over LBC. Wave riders in the building, yeah, they riding with me. Moon guys on my chain, ain't no breaking the team. Started with a vision, now we running the game. Charts glow, purple teal, yeah, you know the name. From the beach to the block, we controlling the tide. Every candle that we light, that's a wave we ride. I've been grinding through the night, while the city don't sleep. Putting LBC on maps, taking wins, stacking deep. From the charts to the streets, got the fam in the mix. Every move calculated, yeah, we playing with steel. I put over LBC, over LBC. I put over LBC, over LBC. Wave riders in the building, yeah, they riding with me. Moon guys on my chain, ain't no breaking the team. Crypto hustle late nights, yeah, we stay in the zone. Stacking knowledge, stacking bags, turning charts into gold. Market makers throw shade, but we glow through the rain. Every dip just a test, every loss turns to gain. Got the fam worldwide, but the roots run deep. From the med, I was grind to the LBC streets. This for every wave rider who believed in the dream. We gon' put it on the map, keep it real, reign supreme. Reign supreme, reign supreme, reign supreme. I put over LBC, over LBC. I put over LBC, over LBC. From the charts to the stage, man, you know who it be. It's that Lunar Beaches fam putting on endlessly.
Good evening, everybody, and welcome to Lunar Beaches Crypto, where we ride the waves of the crypto market all the way to the moon. I've got a headache, so kind of chill. Got a headache, got back pain. It is what it is, but we move on. We move on. That's what we do. So we're wave riders. We ride the waves, even the waves of pain and aches. How's everybody doing this evening? It is Wednesday, January 7th, 2026. I almost said 2025. And it is 10:03 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Down move on Bitcoin. We went over the possibility of a triangle breaking down last night and what that might look like. And we'll go over that. There we go. And yeah, we'll go from there. But before we do all that, it's okay, old man. You know what? I was thinking earlier, I was like, man, my back tends to be hurting more easily these days, or like just my muscles in general. It's like, I was like, man, what's going on? And then I remembered, oh yeah, I'm 38 years old. I don't look like it, I don't think. I don't feel it in the head. But sometimes I don't act like it, but I feel it. I feel it physically. What's going on, everybody? Let's go ahead and say good evening to the chat. Good evening, Alexandra G. Mod boss, mod queen, mod god. Thank you for being here, Alexandra G. And thank you for pinning that Discord link in the chat. Do greatly appreciate you for sharing that and pinning it for everybody. Mad love, what's going on? Maybe a bandage, how you doing? Thank you for being here. We got Harp in the house. What's going on, Harp? Thank you for being here. You're all amazing. We got 2Dub, Wix Wife, Fine 89. What's going on, Wix Wife? How you doing? Thank you for being here. We got Blue Collar Traders. Hey, I like that name, Blue Collar Traders. That's me. That's me, Blue Collar Trader. I love it. That's an awesome name. I put on the LBC. What's going on? All set. How you doing, fam? Thank you for being here. Go ahead and let me get those 5 likes, the 7 likes real quick. Before you even see if you like me or not. I mean, you're my people, so you show up every night, so I figure you like me a little bit. Yeah. Anyways, Bitcoin is sitting at a low price of $91,058. Let's just go ahead and zoom out real quick. Let's go to the day. So this is the day. This is New York. This was last night during Asia. I just need to change. Wait. Is it? Oh, okay. Boom. There we go. All right. So this was last night. Who was it? It was Trenches. I believe it was Trenches that was pointing out, or Trench Juice, pointing out this triangle last night. And I said it could go either way, up or down. And if it did break down, look for the back test and a continuation. Sure enough, it broke out. You get the back test, and then you get a continuation down. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Let's do this. Check out the measured move. And boom. So this would suggest that we could be seeing lower, 89,715. What's going on? Hey, Mark Dutch, what you doing up so early or so late? How you doing, bro? Thank you for being here. We've got Dave P in the house. Bingo and a bango. What's going on, guys? How y'all doing? Oh, T.I. Joe came in right before I started looking at the charts. What's going on, Joe? How you doing, bro? Thank you for being here. Evening wankers. What's up, Mark? So silly. I remember Tino always talking about Mark Dutch. You always cracked him up. It was the funniest thing. Mark Dutch. All right, let's see. All right, are we trying to get a move right now? Are we trying to come back into orb? Into Asia orb? Did I base this off the first 15? First 30. Okay. So trying to come back into... I'm trying to figure out which orb is best for Asia. 15-minute, 30-minute, hour. I think JR did 2 hours once. Oh, there he is. What's going on, JR? Have you figured out the best orb for Asia? How you doing? Let me know. Let's see. Trying to get a move here. All right. Let's go to the 1 minute. Break. That would have been in... Should have got to the chart sooner. Not here. Maybe between these two candles. Yep, that's the one. 3 candle move. Pull back to it. Get another push. See if he can get up to VWAP. Music. Oh, wait, wrong one.
Yeah. Guess who panic sold again? Not me.
Yeah, so
Wick so long they can snap your ankles. Everybody screaming by the top. 5 minutes later, portfolio.
All right, there we go. Sorry, I had to adjust my volume in my headphones. All right, so we got money flow. It's in the red, so got to be cautious with the upside, especially since we are in an overall downtrend. At least a short-term downtrend. And we haven't hit the measured move of this triangle. Now, I don't know that that's going to fully play out. mostly because I don't trade triangles in particular, symmetric triangles. They tend to have a lot of false breakouts. But yeah. Whoa, holy crap. All right. Hey, what's going on? Otta, gang. Absolutely love it. What's going on, gang? I can't even call you all out. There's so many of you. How you doing? What's going on, Alex? How you doing, bro? Hope you had a great evening. I saw you added to a trade, maybe? Live on air? Overcome, what's going on? Good evening. JR, good evening. I don't know if I said good evening earlier. Wow. What's going on, Rashad? How you doing, Rashad? Raid, what's going on, B Team Crypto? What's going on, GT Jack? Hey, what's going on, Jack? Bearded Mac Mike, what's going on? How you doing? How you doing? Good evening, everybody. Retro Mike Tech, RMT in the house. What's going on, bro? All right. So yeah. Now, I personally don't really care for this low, but we'll just have to see if we can come and take out this high and get a reversal in here. But I want to, yes, this is the right chart to remove everything. Okay, how to make sure. Okay, top down. Alright, so getting pretty bottomed out here on the momentum on the 4 hour. So that's a good sign. That's a positive sign. Swing low, swing high. Maybe even this one. 50% retracement though from this low to this high. 89,572 or 593. Fixed range volume profile. Let's see what this is saying. Okay, so we have a pretty nice point of control down here. It's just on that range though. What about of this whole sideways range? Volume node here, 90,118. That's just above that 50% retracement. But then we have all of this down here at the point of control, 87,949. Bunch of built up lows. Money flows green though. And we've pointed out this range. This is definitely a demand zone right here. I would like to see us get down into that actually. Come back test these highs. Let's flip this resistance into support and bounce out of here. If we are going to be bullish. Fall through, come up, retest, and we could be going lower. So, got to be cautious. I mean, come over here to my main chart. We've got the supply up here. It's been resistance several times now. Here, right? So, flipping this resistance into support is really big. It's what we need right now. So if we don't get a bounce off of this zone, then coming down and taking out all these lows right here, I think is the minimum of what we would do. So if we lose this low at about, let's go over here. But no hands. Melissa, one love in the house. What's going on? LBC OG. About 89,250. 89,250. Hold this low. And holding just means close above. Do not close below. On the 4 hour. This low. It seems like this low would be way too low in order for us to remain bullish. I mean, we did get bullish economic news. You know, our services PMI came in pretty solid, actually. Complete opposite of our manufacturing PMI. So, services appear to be expanding, while manufacturing appears to be contracting. Manufacturing, contracting, tough acting, tenacting. Boom. Kobe, what's going on? What's going on? V Monitor, how you doing? V Monitor. We got Sassy Massey. What's going on? I've never seen Massey be sassy. It just rhymes, you know. I've even called him Gassy Massey. I try to come up with nicknames. Just subscribed. Came from Alex O. Thank you, M. Miller. Greatly appreciate you, bro. We got Anon. Good morning. Good evening. Good morning. Good evening. What up, LB? What up, Grayson? How you doing? Tyson Daniel, how you doing? GG. So did y'all win? Did you guys make some money? Have a good night, you sexy bearded chinchilla Mike. Are you telling goodbye to the mic or a good night to the mic? Have a good night, Alex O. I will try to catch you in the morning, bro. I don't think I was able to this morning, unfortunately, but I'll catch you tomorrow. I'll probably catch you tomorrow. But yeah, good evening, mad love you too, man. That was awkward. Love you too, mate. All right. So I drew out these lows right here, and we did break them. Did get a close below this low. Of course, the more significant low is going to be this one. This just doesn't seem like it's not even really like double bottomy. And money flow's red. So coming up, back testing this level. And, you know, we wait for the reaction. We see what it does. And, you know, if it rejects, we want to watch for lower. Which I think will probably go lower anyway. Let's see. Let's turn on Spaceman. We turn on all these levels. Okay, previous day low. Do we have anything significant? Okay, so we've got previous week midpoint and previous month midpoints. Sitting at 89. I mean, it's right at that low. Right at that low. That's what I was talking about. Is this... That's January. That's January. It's the midpoint of the previous month. So we've gotten above the midpoint. And I would like to see us come back down to it. And then continue on. So there's just more confluence added right there. So I like seeing that. I like that. I don't know. Getting a lot of lines in here. We also have a golden pocket. Alright, cool. I know it's a lot with when I have these sessions on. Especially when I'm on the higher time frames. There's also a rejection of the macro of this swing level, specifically from here to here on the fibs, 50% retracement. So yeah. We just ultimately we don't want to break this. We don't want to break this, and then come back, and then phew. Although I still lean towards this happening. This is our chance. We got to bounce, I think. I know I still think we go down, but I've been saying that I think we go to 97, 98 at the golden pocket at least before we go down. So I'm going to stick to that. I'm going to say I expect to see a bounce, and then from there it'll be about, will it be able to sustain? So that's just my view and how I see it for Bitcoin. And right now it looks like we might be rejecting orb. I really don't see any clean. That's a clean FVG created on the break of this high.
Screens glow blue in the dead of night. Candles breathing red and white. Every tick feels personal. Every move
786 golden pocket. 786. Can we get a bounce? Average grief. Anchor VWAP. See, we already got one bounce off of it. Man, I just love the anchors. Throw the anchors in the chat for Allset and JR. Is it me or is the music freaking loud? No one ever tells me anything. I'll turn it down, but I need you guys to tell me to turn it down. Are you old? Don't yell at me, Massey. So yeah, our momentum is trending to the downside, and so is our True 7, our money flow. I mean, it's all below the zero line. So at the very least, I do think this will continue to pull back. Then we'll just have to see if we can get a bounce out of this box, out of this fair value gap. And if we do, we've got the current year midpoint, which don't know how significant of a level that really is. But then we have, that's an anchored VWAP. Which one? Is that of the range? Is that from the high? Is that from 830? When is this? Yeah, 830. Okay, so I like to place an anchored VWAP on the 830 for the day, because as you can see, I mean, it's pretty nice. Where's my? There it is. Oh, that's an anchor VWAP too. Where's my standard VWAP? It's not turned on. That's why. Did it change its color? What's going on here? Yes. Why? Why are we changing colors? Is this not? Oh. That's my weekly VWAP. There we go. I've got too many things going on. Okay, so we do have these collection of highs over here. We do have Monday's low right up here. However, we have already come up to Monday's low and rejected. So for now, I'm going to go from swing high to swing low. Golden pocket. It's not really the biggest trade, but I mean, it's 0.347%. So, I mean, with some good leverage, you can get something on there. Okay, we just got to push. We just got to push. I'm not gonna wait. Want to see the reaction. 786. Order block. Last line of defense. It could come down here though. There is a fair value gap down here. Nice push. Getting a little overextended on the momentum to the downside. Okay, that's 50% of this whole range from this low to this high. Getting a little bit of a bounce now. Was that on? That was right on the 886. Now, do we get a bullish engulfing candle? Nope. Not yet. OMG. Sounds like I live a live castration without pain relief. I don't even know what Dutch listens to. He seems to complain about every type of music out there, so. Name of song is Toaster in a Bathtub. You can pump it up. I love the music. It's a vibe. Most people have you muted. I doubt it. You know, no one ever complains until Mark Dutch shows up. Such an old man. More macro 236 sitting over here. Yeah, let's go lower. Let's go lower, Bitcoin. Anybody else doing anything? XRP's dying. Yeah. Why? I don't care about these. Turn those off. Seven, 8, 6. This is such a beautiful example of a potential five-wave impulse. 1, 2, 3, breaking the swing high. 4, and then a 5. One minute, man. Yeah, I know. I'm old. I also have a good taste in music. I mean, music is incredibly subjective. Mark Dutch. I'm gonna guess classic rock. Maybe some Floyd. Dutch still dances with glow sticks and a pacifier. Are you? Wait, he's not a raver, is he? Because you want to talk about good taste in music. Ravers don't have that. Sorry, Melissa. I know you're a former raver. But techno sucks. All right, so yeah, getting me distracted. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the upside. Maybe get up to that 382 at $2.49. Was looking at this upper level at 263, I believe, 264, with the 50% retracement sitting up here at 271 for XRP. Ethereum. My wave count might be getting proven off here soon. but I'm going to hold on to it. I don't trade Ethereum, so I'm not even going to look at it. Let's go back to Bitcoin real quick. Oh, right off the 50? Of course, I went off the freaking chart. There's your bullets engulfing. I don't know if I don't like this low. That's a nasty looking low. That'd be my first TP. Second, third. Pull back to FVG. Continuation. Yep. Yep. Come on. Push. Push. And don't stop at this point of control. Or is this the orb? Yeah, at the bottom of the orb. Don't stop there. Just continue at least to the top of orb. Which is where? Oh, it's all the way up here. I still be careful here because we have all these lows right here. We could be flipping that former support into resistance. So that's why, and we also have an anchor VWAP right up here as well. So yeah, definitely be cautious. It's kind of stalling on us now. Come on now. Pump it up. The two brothers on the 4th floor. Can't believe he remembered. Told him that like years ago. I remember. Probably has literally been years too since we talked about that. But I remember. There's certain things you don't forget because they kind of surprise you, you know? Never in my life. Well, I guess I shouldn't say it. I was totally surprised, but does explain the whole good vibes thing. All right, gonna backtest VWAP and then bounce or what? It's got the money flow, it's got the true 7, it's got the momentum all above the 0 line. So, I mean, everything's there. We've checked all the boxes, we pulled back to key support. And we've gotten a bounce back above this anchored VWAP, getting the pull back into fair value gap. Now we just need continuation. We just need follow through. And you know, if everything hits and you get stopped out, it is what it is. That's part of trading. You win some, you lose some. Hopefully you win more, and hopefully you hold on to those winners longer than you do your losses. Cut losses early. So let's see. At least I didn't show you the pictures. I want to see those pictures. I want to see those pictures. Purple teal, yeah, you know the name. Were you wearing Jinkos? Were you big into Jinkos? I wore Jinkos. I wore Jinkos and DCs. But you probably wore like the big black Jinkos with like all the straps on the sides of them. I know the look. It's not wanting to play. Come on, man. Hopefully we're just filling up buys here at this anchored VWAP so that we can push higher. What's our volume saying? I mean, it might be Asia, but it might say something. All right, so we had a lot of volume over here. Specifically on this candle, these two candles. If I take this one, pull that down, high volume, where are we getting a bounce off of? That candle, the highest volume candle. Oh, it's only those two. What else is on here? Oh. Yeah, okay. I was like, I got way too many lines on here. Did I not change this? I thought I changed it. Or at least added or created a new template. So I really wanted to get rid 236, 382. 886. Get rid of all of those. Man, what is this price action? Jeez. Sloppy. Sloppy. Keeps teasing us. I'm already in a Bitcoin long, by the way. That's why I'm not trading it. And not on breakout, though. I could have taken it on breakout. Oh, well. Too late now. I actually... And please don't ever do this, but... I mean, I set a stop loss, but I opened along at 90,140. Let's back this up. 90,140. So right here on Blowfin, and I forgot about it. I forgot I had a trade open. And when was this? I remember hopping in on this. Or actually, it was right here before it even broke out. Saturday at 3:15 p.m. So I missed this whole move because I was more focused on breakout. Forgot that I put $40 on 42x, which is a $1,700 trade, and I would have profited like over $100. It's like, oh well. Didn't set a TP. That's my bad. That's on me. Should have set the TP. Saturday, it was just my son and I at the house, and I was already with him for a few days, and so I probably set it and just completely forgot that I even opened the trade. Obviously, probably got busy with my son and just completely forgot. Oh well, it is what it is. The important part is I'm keeping the trade open and I put it at break even. I don't care. I'm going to let it go. See what happens. No, if it gets back, I might even close it up here. So, Give my gains where I can. Don't forget to take your Ritalin, JR. Oh my goodness. I'm online like 16 hours a day between Discord and YouTube, and I try to study daily multitasking. Sorry if I'm not as focused at hour 16 as I am the first 8. Is a new color scheme? I think it's my favorite so far. On the charts, yes. Yeah, I just went white, gray candle, white and gray. White and gray. Keep it simple. And I also have a black to dark, deep blue gradient. Basically, it's supposed to be like moon, space rock, and space. Go figure. Lunar beaches, I mean. And then neon colors, the beaches. So there you go. Haha, baggy pants. Huge pants. Baggy is not even a word. Oh, you want to see some Jinkos?
Oceans crashing, moonlight flashing, wave riders rise up, ride the waves, ride the waves.
These were Jinkos. And look at this. Look at these. I was this guy for like a year. Look at this stuff. I was also in middle school. All right, give me a break. Oh, look, it's Melissa. No, I'm kidding. That was me. I remember those days. Actually, I was still doing that at like 13, I think. I think I was doing that at like 13, 14. Yep, the good old Jinkos. I had some Jinko khakis I just absolutely loved. I guess they were khakis. They were they were just like the beige or tan pants, whatever you call them. Those are good times, man. 90s outfits. All right, normal outfits, not celebrity outfits. Celebs, normal people didn't wear this stuff. Definitely all the tie-dye shirts. All the tie-dye shirts. Probably need to be careful looking at Google. Whoa! Okay. Oh, that one got stopped out. Holy smokes. What a dump. So that was 5 years ago, David? Yes, definitely. Proud to say, never put a pair of them things on. You just weren't cool then. You were a nerd. That's probably not true because I was definitely a nerd. So you were probably wearing Abercrombie and Fitch. Harp. I bet you were. LOL. I said to 90,500. Went to 96.92. We got a 1 minute SFP. The high volume level did not hold. Oh no. Oh no. It's all dead. Stopped out. We move on to the next one. See what happens. Headache, man. Had my style. Okay. I used to stay focused on just partying. I took it very seriously. Same. I don't party with the orb like that. Look at that. Perfect breakdown out of orb back test, come down, take out the low. I mean, that would have been a beautiful move. And of course, it's went into it as soon as I started streaming. Damn, Daniel. That was the one. That was the one trade during my stream. And I missed it. Son of a gun. Son of a gun. Alright, what's the Russell doing? Is the Russell dying too? No. No. Oh, come on, Russell. All right, Russell, I see you. I need you to keep going. Let's continue to be risk on. Please be nice to us. What's the NASDAQ doing? Anything fun? Ooh. It's kind of like Bitcoin. I mean, you got 3 pushes. Then we look for potential reversal. Members berries. Jenny Garth was my favorite. Okay. Emotional damage. 1M is kind of emotional, or kind of fun, but emotional. Oh, 1 minute? Yeah, the only reason I'm looking at the 1 minute is very specifically because it's Asia. But you also shouldn't get emotional anyway. So I was just like, oh, alright, guess I'm out. It is what it is. Okay. Nice big jump in volume on that candle. And we're creating a bullish engulfing candle. I think it's 950. Bullish engulfing back above, close back above this level. That's definitely one to the high. At least. This one I feel better about. No bull div. Can it create an FVG? Closed above this high. we're not getting anything that's kind of backing the move. Momentum has pushed to the upside, but it's still not above the zero line, and our money flow is still thick below the zero line, at least on the 1 minute. Zoom out. Oh, we have a bullish div on the 3. So that might give us our little retracement push here. Order block. Or are you just gonna dump again? It is rejecting that anchored VWAP from this low. Not exactly what you want to see. Just gonna change that up a bit. There we go. Sorry. Just trying to catch moves, man. Learn that from... What'd you learn from Coons? That's why I watch Coinbase BTC USD for major levels. 90.5k to the dollar. Yep. Gotta always go back and forth between the perps and the spot. Especially on... Well, doesn't really matter the time frame, but if you have spot backing the move, especially if you can see the liquidity on the chart, like you can see that there's actually like bids being put in, that really helps out a lot. Of course, you can always turn on the volume footprint. So many zeros. Ain't nobody trading on Coinbase right now. BlackRock's asleep. 0-0. I don't think I've ever seen that. I am on the 1 minute, but geez. Difference between Asia and New York. Let's see. Jeez. $10 a.m. All right, here we go. Let's take a look at this low. That's more 12. This low. Wow, even. Jeez, nobody buying Bitcoin on Coinbase? I mean, granted, I am on the 1 minute. Yeah, still pretty low numbers. 218. It's not very... It's a pretty nice number. Total 1.74K. Where are we at? Ah, look at that. Ooh. 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 Now we got even more confluence for that level. Now, if you are a buyer... If you are a buyer and you know that you have people willing to sell or in sell orders lower than current price, where would you want to buy? You would want to buy right here. Because why would you want to buy at a higher price when you can buy at a lower price? As Mark Dutch's friend used to say, maybe he still says it to this day, I don't know, I don't watch him. You can't buy if nobody is selling. You can't sell if no one is buying. It's true though. It's literally true. $89,262. So yeah, even more confluence for this level down here, and taking out this low was not ideal. So, but this is gonna be like our last. I think this might be our last line of defense. Is this zone right here? The stacks were right here, right here. Wait, this candle. Damn it. Damn it, Bobby. Lay golden pocket. Lay golden pocket. I like it. I like it a lot. I like it a lot. Money flow pushing well down, way down on the 1 hour. Yep. Are we gonna get a short-term bounce? Maybe a little scalpy scalp? We'll see. But yeah, I missed the one trade that was for me and I got stopped out. So, oh well. You know, no one's perfect. No trader's perfect. We're never perfect. But it's all about risk management and being consistent and sticking to your rules. We stuck to the rules. The trade just didn't play out. It is what it is. We used proper risk management. We still got stopped out. It is what it is. We move on to the next one. We live to trade another day. And that's where it is. That's where it is. Good night, Alexandra. Mad love. Thank you, as always. I called it. What'd you call? Glad I missed that fad. Which fad? Probably going to take the low ADR as well at around 89.5k. Yeah, see, there's just so much confluence down there. Like, just feels like that's where we're headed. So, thanks, David. Next party at my place. Absolutely, bro. I can't wait. Nerd. You're the nerd. Alright, guys. He meant med. It was worth a stab, bro. I mean, always, right? I mean, if you're hitting your rules, I mean, that's what happens. Show me a trader that doesn't lose trades, and I will show you a furu. I'll show you a scammer. Period. Alright, guys. Thank you all for joining me this evening. I'm not going to go over this time. I do greatly appreciate it, even though we are getting a bounce now. You son of a... I love you guys. I've got a headache. I'm going to go take some ibuprofen. It's also an SFP of another low. Damn it. I was too zoomed in. Anyways, love you guys. I will, if you wouldn't mind hitting that like button on your way out and hitting that subscribe if you are new and you enjoyed this content, this live, and want to see us do more trading live. I technically didn't actually take the trade, but I'll let you know when I do take trades and when I don't. And so, yeah, join the Discord, all that good jazz. Subscribe if you're new. Hit that notification bell to be notified whenever I create new content, when I go live. Thank you all for joining me this evening. I hope you all have an amazing, beautiful, wonderful, radical sleep. And I will see you all tomorrow, where the moon gods will hopefully bring us the gains. Mad love, guys. Ride the waves. See you tomorrow. God bless. Bye.
Sharp prime glow, see the signals align. SMC flash, sniper mode every time. 808s hit while the RSI dips. I'm surfing that trend like a lunar eclipse. Got alumni in the chat, feel the energy stack. Melissa, Jesus saves. Screens glow blue in the dead of night. Candles breathing red and white. Every tick feels personal. Every move feels irreversible. I've chased breakouts, I've paid the fee. Learned the hard way about leverage greed. Lines on charts like fault lines. Split one bad click and you counterfeit. Heart rate rising with the spread. I don't trade hope, I trade what's said. I'm against the trend, still holding ground. Cut my losses before they drown. No revenge trades, no empty prayers. I size my risk cause I know the snare. If it stops me out, I reload my frame. Survive the storm, protect the game. Liquidity hunts in the quiet hours. Wicks like teeth, they smell your fear. They shake the tree, they fake the move. Take the weak before the truth. I don't need wins every single day. Just consistency that pays my way. Discipline louder than my doubt. Patience prints when I wait it out. I miss the move, I don't chase the high. There's always another setup by. I'm against the trend, still holding ground. Cut my losses before they drown. No revenge trades, no empty prayers. I size my risk cause I know the snare. If it stops me out, I reload my frame. Survive the storm, protect the game. Flat is a position, silence too. Sometimes doing nothing's the pro move. I don't fight tape, I don't fight time. I let the market show its head, not mine. I'm against the trend, still breathing calm. Risk cap tight, emotions gone. If they sweep lows just to reverse, I'll catch the move, not chase the curse. One good